camera crew?
Nope, haven't seen them anywhere.
They were meant to be here, weren't they?
The filming won't get in the way of what we're doing. Just ignore them, basically.
Could that be painted as a pheasant?
Yeah. I know, it might be the only fluffy thing we shoot.
Bad hair day? Yeah, it's bad hair day. That's fun.
Your hair needs doing it. Unlucky.
The rest of us, you always have bad hair days.
Yeah, well, you know.
I just like to have a hair day.
That's right.
But it wasn't on my back.
Any hair day.
How come you're in the film crew and you don't do anything?
It is Rod Stewart.
Yeah. I think I'm sexy.
He will stay there till the cows come home. There'll be cars queuing up behind him. If I come back 20 minutes later... Oh! Huckle, what are you doing? Sit. Don't let the side down. You are so good with this. Come on, sit down. Sit, sit, sit. Sit. Stay. Stay there. Didn't tell him to stay, that was the key.
It's a good idea, Greg, isn't it? Put a minicam onto me when I'm chasing Adam.
Then he can for once see what it's like to be on the other side of you.
Come on out.
You want me to slow down a bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, I was shooting off there.
There we go. Could we get Sweet just to go out there and back here just so we can have a look at it? And then we can make a judgment. Oh, it's actually a bit low still. Is that it? Is that his normal position? We'll tip it up a touch. Still too low. Well, we've got no head though.
Look over there. You're like something out of E17 or something.
No.
Yeah.
At least Boyzone. Not E17.
You do. You look like something from New Kids on the Block. Slightly older though. And Old Boys on the Block.
Man band. An old man band. Play the spoons.
Greg! Greg! Come on!
In front of the camera.
It's a bean burger. It's not got any meat in it. Vegetarian. Beans.
But what's the bread?
Tomato.
That's not vegetarian, that bread. That's plastic. Can you eat that?
I'm just starving.
Oh, you're going to have that on the Burger King bag. It's just so shocking.
You would have thought after a year on an organic farm you would have learned something. Look at that.
Jesus Christ. I'm going to eat it. I'm not throwing it away. I'm starving.
Maybe I should clean one of these. But then again, it is a farm.
It's right in the middle of the field. It's a complete... complete...
Who's your favourite person on the film crew?
Me.